You want a random number, but do you want a random number every hour? So we can do rand, and this is going to get literally a random number between 0 and 1, and we can multiply it by any number we want, like 1,000. We can also round this number so that we have some rounded number that's random. We can also do rand between, and we have a low number and a high number. But this will only update if I edit a sheet. Any edit in a cell anywhere on the sheet, even if I add a sheet edit somewhere over here, it's going to randomize only then. But what if I wanted it to auto update? Yes, every time I update, but also every hour. Here's how to do that. Go up to File, Settings. We're going to click on Calculation up here next to General. And recalculation, we're going to change to on change and every hour. This affects 4 formulas. It affects now, today, rand, and rand between. And instead of just changing when the sheet changes, it will also change every hour. So this is really cool for things where you're creating automations that are affected by this sheet, or if you're trying to display a number from a spreadsheet into a website. I have another video about that. And there's also a ton more videos on bettersheets.co if you want to become a member and get sheets that I make here on the channel. But that's it. Save settings, and you got a random number that changes every hour, including every time you edit it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe today here on YouTube for free to Better Sheets.